Gratitude to the Chairman NERPC and the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland for having invited me to this 22nd Northeast Regional Power Committee meeting here in Guwahati. I thank the NEEPCO for their gracious hospitality in hosting this important meeting. I take this opportunity to express my thankfulness to NERPC for their continuous efforts and contribution towards power sector in the region for the overall welfare of the people. On behalf of the people of Nagaland, I bring heartiest and warmest greetings to all participants with great confidence that meaningful deliberations will take place for improvement of the power sector of our region. It gives me great pleasure to be part of this august gathering, and it is my earnest hope that through this particular platform, we will be able to meet the challenges faced by the power sector in the region. I aim to see that informed decisions are arrived at in this NERPC and look forward with a lot of hope and expectation in the leadership of our current chairman, who is one of the foremost leaders of the Northeast. The NERPC, since its inception, has been relentlessly in its effort to strengthen the power sector in the Northeast to ensure it remains reliable, efficient, and economical. The deliberations of the past NERPCs have been carried forward for the common benefit of the constituent states of the Northeast. It is therefore imperative to follow this in the same spirit of cooperation to jointly put in on our efforts to achieve our common objective of providing 24/7 quality and affordable power to all. While the northeastern states often face many challenges due to its geographical isolation, the region is, however, blessed with vast hydro potential which could contribute to regional and national growth. Hydropower is more relevant today than ever, considering the global efforts at limiting the use of coal and other fossil fuels for power generation in order to combat climate change.
Electricity Authority, Sri Gautam Roy ji, CMD NEEPCO, Sri VK.
Source for the development of our region. One thing should be remembered: commercial needs and social obligations in the power sector entirely need to be balanced properly, using cooperative and combined wisdom. NERPC is the most appropriate forum to discuss and bring out some consensus on all the pertinent issues which are being faced by the power sector in the northeastern region. In the interest of northeastern states, this August forum should also be utilized to collectively present the common views and issues of the government of India. We are all aware that the NERPC has always been persistently taking endeavor for making the NER power system operations more reliable, efficient and economically viable, and I sincerely hope that this particular meeting will resolve many of the significant issues affecting the power sector in the northeast region. This is crucial if we are to achieve our sole objective of providing 24/7 power for all at an affordable price. I comprehend that the 22nd Technical Coordination Committee TCC meeting was held on last Saturday, and I hope that in the said meeting many operational and technical issues were mitigated. TCC must have also addressed in detail on the way forward for power sector in the northeastern region. The northeastern region, being geographically isolated, face many issues which are region specific in nature, and many challenges need to be tackled and overcome together. And we must also remember the northeastern region is the most diverse region in the country. And providing last mile connectivity is a challenge. And I heard the chairman of NEEPCO speaking about hydro. There is immense potential for hydro in many states, but not so much in Tripura. We do have a hydro project, very old one, which is almost generating nothing we can say at times. We have got some finance from ATP to revamp that. And you will be happy to know the government of Tripura has made most of the investment in power. And from RIDF, from NABARD, in MNRE sector. So Tripura has to look for new ways to reach out to every village.
Nagaland in solar hydro power projects.
Well, as I had said in my speech, the state is not having sufficient power supply, and that's how we have already taken out new hydro projects of Neiphu, that is 186 megawatts, then 24 megawatts in Kizilville, and Kizilzinki 24 megawatts. So Lower is also there 42 megawatts, and then we have solars of 20 solar plant in Gedisnagar, that is Dimapur, and solar plant in Zadima, that is Kohima, of 10. So altogether, our hydro and solar will be generating more than 1,000 megawatts, which will be a surplus. And we have the capacity of about 3,500 megawatts potentials in the near future.
Forest Day. This has been reported in the media. I think due to some gap in technical understanding. I could see some reports which said that there is a dam breach. I want to categorically clarify, it is not at all a dam breach. Dam breach means very big thing. It was a temporary protection bond created for annual plant maintenance. And just due to oversight, due to human error actually, and due to very sudden inrush of water, as Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Meghalaya is here, 35 kilometers away from our Khandok dam location. I think it was a very heavy downpour compared to cloudburst, and you can visualize, and there are many technical experts here, in a matter of 1 hour, the water level in that reservoir, which is of almost 200 million cubic meter storage, you can visualize and maybe say, the water level rose by 1 meter. We have estimated, we have done calculations which suggest that water in the range of around 2,500 cubic, came in the reservoir from Meghalaya side due to heavy downpour there. And before this incident, the inflow in the reservoir was in the range of say 25 to 30 cubic. You can visualize the situation that it was almost 120 times the water inflow came, 120 times. And despite that, no other person from the adjoining area died. And I want to clarify another thing. The persons, our officials who have died, they have died in the line of national duty. They have not died due to drowning in water. They were going to close the gate because of sudden inrush of water, and tree has fallen over them, which was uprooted due to very high wind velocity, which is reported in the press and media. So I want to categorically clarify, and there were a lot of misconception, a lot of media houses are contacting me, and these things have been clarified. I would request everyone not to rely on any other report except the authoritative report from NEEPCO, which are already released through authorized press release. It's a highly technical matter. please let us not link in the sake of national interest, in the sake of
I would like to request the CMD NEEPCO to expedite the implementation of all these projects to prevent further damage. The comprehensive development, comprehensive scheme for development commission distribution. On the important points on issues relating to Arunachal Pradesh. The first
That Almighty will be with a team of the through DCMD, and I'm sure God will be with the entire team of your organization. Honorable Chairman, NERPC, my dear colleagues from different states, or officials of central government and state government, distinguished guests, special invitees, ladies and gentlemen. First of all,
NERPC, we had a difficult time because of COVID-19 pandemic. However, our secretary and his technical teams with his state partners, departments, they work hard and they could do something. And the ministry, government of India, had extended all the helps which the secretary had announced today. So, by working with my colleagues, the minister in charge of power, I realized that power is a very important department and it's the basic needs of modern society. And how each one of us required power, electricity power. And I see that all the senior members in the government, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister are holding the portfolios. That itself shows how important is the electricity power. So I want to thank all my colleagues who have worked with me, and we could deal common problems and also state specifics. And today also we had a very good meeting, and I hope this unity and cooperation will continue, and Government of India will help us.